በጣም ነው የማመሰግነው። በጣም ነው የማመሰግነው። ከልቤ ነው የምልሽ።
አንተ ብቻ take care of yourself. Okay? Take care of yourself. I'm telling you.
What do you mean?
በቃ ራስን ጠብቅ። ስራህን ስራ ምን በልና እንዲህ አይነት ነገር ፋይት የምታደርገው ምን ይሆን? taking care of yourself. ትምህርት ቤት
ግን አንቺ አታስቢም እንዴ? ፔቲሽኑ እኮ የሚለው እኮ መታሰር የለበትም። I do not believe you should have been arrested on any occasion. Further, I call on the police force to read people's Miranda rights before making arrest and to stop seizing people's body against their Fourth Amendment.
Yeah, but what you tell me is right. Okay? But always there is another side. አለና እነሱ የሚሉት ደግሞ መስማት አለበት። መስማት አለበት። አንተ ለምትለኝ ነገር በሙሉ ትክክለኛ ነው።
እኔ እኮ ለማዳመጥ እኮ ዝግጁ ነኝ፣ ግን ብቻ እኔን የሚያነጋግር ሰውም ራሱ በቁጥርም ራሱ
አንተማ ታዳምጣለህ። አንተማ
ማንም ሰው እኮ ግን እኮ እያነጋገረኝም ራሱ አለ። እኔ ነኝ ሰዎች ጋር እየሄድኩኝ እባካችሁ ፈርሙልኝ። I just don't want to be arrested. I want to be left alone.
ቤዚክ የሆኑትን የራስህን ነገሮች ከሟላ በኋላ ይፋል። Understand?
Yes.
አንተ ግን ከወደቅ ማነው ፋይት የሚያደርግልህ? There is a lot of people who doesn't have voice because they didn't stand for themselves.
I'm creating my own voice. What else can I do?
I know, but at the same time, provide yourself a job, like ራስህን ራስህን መኖር የሚያስችልህን ነገር ያንን ከያዝክ በኋላ all this is ገባህ? Always you're young. I know what you feel.
All I'm saying is that I should not have been arrested. መታሰር የለብኝም ነው የምለው።
የለብህም ግን ያንን ፋይት የምታደርገው መታሰር የለብኝም ብለህ ስራ አይደለም ስራ ግን ገባህ? በማለት there is a priority always.
እኔ እኮ ለመስራት እኮ ዝግጁ ነኝ፣ ግን አንደኛ ነገር
you have to look for the job, you have to be on time, you have to be all those kind of things. ለዛ ጭንቅላትን ሴት አድርገህ when you're doing that ሌላው ደግሞ በሂደት ይስተካከላል። Okay? Because አንተ young age, the way you think now.
No,
okay?
All I'm saying is that I should not have been arrested. That's all I'm saying.
ያንን ይዘህ ያን እንዳለ ተቀምጦ ኦኬ አሁን አንተ ምንድነው የምትፈልገው?
እኔ እውነቱን ለመናገር ህጉ እንዲከበር ነው የሚፈልገው። ሌላ ምንም አልፈልግም።
ነው መጀመሪያ እዚህ ራስህን ነው ማክበር የምትፈልገው። ህጉን የምታስከብረው ራስህን ካከበርክ በኋላ።
እኔማ ለራሴ ክብር ስል ላይክ መጀመሪያ ላይክ ተቃወምኩት። ሌላ ምን ማድረግ እችላለሁ?
ለራስህ ክብር ስትል you work, okay, and take care of first, show that you have a job and this and that, and then you're afterwards. Always when you are like, oh, you indikabar falgallo ka, መጀመሪያ in this country, get a job, take care of yourself, and then that's second.
What I take care of myself. ለምሳሌ ከእስር ቤት ነው የወጣሁት ዛሬ ለምሳሌ you know the first thing I did is like take a shower, you know, like ግን መታሰር አልፈልግም ነው የምለው። ሁለት ሳምንት ሙሉ እኮ አሰሩኝ።
Okay, how long you going to say መታሰር አልፈልግም?
Until more people recognize that I should not have been arrested.
Your life?
My life እኮ በስር የተሞላ ሆነ።
Can you do the same? Okay, say that. ያው መታሰር የለብኝም say that. እስከምትፈልገው ሰዓት ድረስ ግን on this side ደግሞ
I'm ready to work.
You have to go work and then come back home, take care of yourself.
Again, I'm also saying that people's place should not be searched without their...
That too. That you ask. at the same time.
Don't you
Okay?
think that the police should not be looking into people's home without their permission? They should perhaps.
No,
They should
the
perhaps.
police.
They should. They should perhaps
They have a
knock
right. They have a right.
without a reasonable search warrant.
No. The police, they can make a decision right now and here.
Without
and
probable
then
cause and without a reasonable search
they
warrant.
can- yeah, yes, they can do that. They stop
Should
you.
they be allowed to be
If-
doing that?
If I'm just driving off, they can stop me, search
No,
my
but
car.
what if you are walking? What if you are walking? Should you be able to? Why should you be talking to the police?
If they want to. If you're suspected, if they don't like anything, they can stop you and talk to you. Yeah, they have a right.
You have a right not to answer before.
Yeah, you can do that too.
Before like a lawyer is
You
present.
can do that too.
All I'm saying is that they should be reading people's Miranda rights, and nobody should be talking to the police without having a lawyer present.
You can do that too. Okay, you can say, I'm not going to talk to you until my lawyer comes. You can say that and keep quiet. They're not going to force you to talk because that's yours. You can be quiet. That's it.
I should also think that they should
And
respect.
what I want you to know, I want you to respect what they do. Okay? They don't have no reason to attack you. No reason.
But they are attacking you when they are not reading your Miranda.
what
Don't you think they should be reading Miranda rights before arresting people?
That's what you think. But they have good explanation for that. Okay?
Do you think people's Miranda rights should not be read when they're being arrested?
They didn't tell you that?
No, they didn't read my Miranda rights. Oh, don't you also
But
think?
did you talk or did you keep quiet? What did you do?
No,
You know you're right already.
all I said is
You are
that they
quiet?
should not be arrested. I said that I have a Fourth Amendment right not to be seized. I also told them that they should leave me alone.
No, they cannot. Once they come to you, until they get the right answer and then get what they want, then cannot leave you. Why did they stop you?
No good reason. We were talking about it with Abidja earlier.
Yeah, that good reason.
No good reason.
The good reason is on their hand. I don't know what their reason is. Okay? I don't know. Okay. What I can tell you is, you just have to cooperate with them. Okay? They're not here to attack you.
But they are attacking people when they are arresting
If
them
you
for no
think
good.
if you think that way,
But
you ask
do,
a question.
but do you think? But do you not believe I should not be arrested?
Huh?
Do you not think I should not be arrested?
You shouldn't on what you're telling me.
But you have seen the video too.
There is two ways always. Okay? Are you telling me, oh, they don't have anything to do? That's what they do? Just go around and arrest people?
Well, I'm
It's
saying
not
that
true.
they are arresting
It's
me
not
for no good reason, and I have the paperwork to prove it. I have the paperwork to prove it.
But Susu Kala Damo, there is a right place, to sue them. Okay? You can, if you think that this shouldn't happen, I am right, you can go ahead and then sue them. Okay? But what I can tell you from my heart, the police, they're not devil. They're not here to attack people. They
But
just
actually-
happen to be
actually-
police officers.
Well, actually,
and then
I'm not saying they
trying
are devils, but
to
are you
help.
saying there are not cases of police abuses? Are you saying they are not? And are you saying they're not being abusive when they're not reading Miranda rights?
There is, but there is a right place to fight for it.
What are you
Okay.
saying that they are not being abusive when they are not reading Miranda rights?
You see, all that I have to experience it, okay? To say, oh, they're abusive, they're this, they're that, okay? I know they're very serious, they're scary when they stop you and stuff. That's how it should be. My dad is a police officer, and he's different. He's not like he's not friendly, okay? He's not like, oh, you know, they have a certain
But
distance.
you have signed this petition, and this petition is saying, I hereby oppose Michael Ayala's consecutive arrest.
What you told me.
Yes, and
Yeah.
but
But
this
see
is.
on the other side.
But you have seen the video too. You have seen the video.
The video shows you. I didn't even hear what he's saying. You know, I have to see it at home with the speaker. But
But
guys
you
are
you
talking.
you promise you will see
You
it though.
guys, yeah, I will.
And will you make a statement on Facebook saying I should not have been arrested afterwards?
I will after I read it and then hear it. On what you write is you write. You shouldn't be arrested. Okay? One thing you have to understand is a police officer stop you. They don't know you like I know you. Okay? They don't know you. So they have to find out who you are. You have to let them understand. And then once they know you're a good person, you're this and that, you know, intelligent. If they know you, that wouldn't happen. They don't know you. Once they know you, all things stop. You just have to prove yourself.
Isn't that strange though? We now have come to a stage where people have to prove themselves innocent instead of the other side proving their guilt. You know, it's become contrary. You know, it's like no longer the other side saying you are guilty and we have proved it. It's now incumbent upon the poor and the minorities to say and to prove they are innocent.
I didn't understand that.
የምለው አሁን በአሁኑ ሰዓት ደረጃ ለድሆች እና ለማይኖሪቲዎች እዚህ ሀገር ውስጥ እኔ በማየው ደረጃ እነሱ ናቸው ፕሩቭ ማድረግ ያለባቸው እንዳላጠፉ እንጂ ያኛው ሳይድ አይደለም።
It's both way. It's both way.
Actually እንደዛማ ከሆነ
It is both way. You should see it both way. If you see it both way, if you see the other side, problem wouldn't happen. I'm telling you, people will get along. Okay? You have to see their point of view.
But
they have to see your point of view.
Well, they're not even providing the other side. The other side is not even providing like their point of view.
I don't know. I have to go through on all the process you have been through. I have to hear it. I have to listen to it. On what you tell me, you shouldn't be arrested because of the reason you're telling me. You shouldn't. Okay?
Okay.
I don't have a problem with that. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you for signing the petition, though. I really do appreciate it.
You will.
I need more
Take
people.
care of yourself. Look for a job. Work. And everything's going to be
Okay.
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 And God bless you. And, you know, you have a lovely mom who will take care of you. Always behind you. So, help her. Okay, help each other, you know?
Okay.
You should?
Sure.
See you.